How to turn off text wrap on Opera mini browser app. So hello guys, first thing you have to do is go to Opera. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click here in the down corner, click on this little option of Opera. Now click here and scroll down until you find page layout. Click on it, and here you will find text wrap option. You can disable it from here easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.